Alright, y'all. Soccer game was crazy. I'm in my favorite part of town, Erebuni. Walking to Kairan. Come with me. Let's do this. Alright, I had to stop to get some food real quick, but look how fresh this bread is. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got 2 perashkis and this bread. It's so good. All kinds of green vegetables in here. Alright, it's time to try some of this perashki. So this one is the one with the meat. Let's try it without the salt. Even though without the salt and pepper, it's good. Wow. Wow. I'm feeling like this potato's gonna be even better. Bomb. Potatoes bomb too. Oily, it's greasy, it's delicious. Wow. Selection of drinks is incredible. Got this yogurt drink with cucumber, a cup of coffee, funny ass cup. Have that after, and more water. These 3 drinks with this food just cured a massive headache I had. Oh man. Alright, we got the statue right here. The old Soviet train station is right here. We're gonna go downstairs and take the metro from here. Let's see where we end up. I don't even know where we're gonna get off, so. Man, it kind of takes you back in time, walking to somewhere like this. So there's a couple of different trains you could take from here. I think there's a train that goes to, there's for sure a train that goes to Gyumri. Գնանցքը ուր է գնում։
Դեպո է։
Երբ է գնում Գյումրի առավոտը, որ
Առավոտը ամենաշուտ 7:55 գնում։
ու օրը քանի անգամ է գնում։
Սովորականը 3 անգամ գնում է, 7:55, 14:25, 15:25։
Շատ լավ։ Մերսի։ So there's 3 trains a day that go to Gyumri and come back. Let's go hit the metro. A bunch of cool little shops here. You can even get food here. Alright, so I just bought my ticket. Came up the escalator to the train station. I think it's the only one that's not an underground station. It's the only above ground one. I think that's because this is the oldest one. It's the original train station. This one is ours right here.
The doors are closing. The next station is the public square. Attention please. The doors are closing. The next station is The next station is Yerevan. Station at the end of line.
Alright, so this is the last stop. It's Parekamutun. You get off, this is what it looked like. It's actually a really nice area over here.